Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut and importing the clip you'll magnify. Make sure the timeline playhead sits exactly where you want the zoom. Once done, select the clip and choose Overlay or Effects depending on your version, because the magnifier is applied as a layer. You want a separate element so you can reposition independently. Create or pick a magnifier asset, then place it over the area of interest and set its duration to match the moment you need. Now customize the magnifier so it reads like a real lens. Increase scale for the zoom level, reposition the overlay to align with the subject, and add feathering so edges blend. Use keyframes on scale and position if the subject moves. Set the first keyframe, scrub ahead, then adjust and set another. Capcut interpolates smoothly. Also tweak border thickness and opacity to avoid covering details. If you need focus, slightly boost contrast. Finish by previewing the sequence at full playback speed. Make sure the magnifier appears and disappears precisely when needed and that keyframes are smooth. Once satisfied, export a short test at your target resolution to confirm clarity and timing. If the magnifier lags or shows misalignment, go back, refine the keyframes, or lower the overlay's resolution to improve performance. Alternatively, split the clip and apply simpler position edits. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes jitter or sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.